Harlan's outside for the first time with the drone. Go out there with it. There you go. Don't get too crazy now. Go a little lower. I don't want you to get too crazy flying. Kid's going like 15 feet up in the air right away. It's the first time he's flying it outside. And he's 5 years old. You trying to watch the camera? We'll move over towards the grass over there. Okay, keep the tail behind. Good job.
In the grass?
No, the grass might be too tall for the props.
You're like the props get broken.
Spin the yaw. There you go. Ryan, I don't want you driving while he's doing this right now. Wait till he's done.
I'm gonna get back here. Okay, go Ryan. Ready, go. Ryan, go.
He just wait. He wants to wait. Let's let him wait. See, he's teaching himself to stay behind the tail. See how he's going around? Looking at the car. All right, come back over here. It's easier to film you. Right there's good. No hands. No plane either. Whee! Go up a little bit more. A little more. Don't move it left to right. Just go up and stop. Go a little more. So you're pretty close to 10 feet. Oh yeah, you're about 15 feet now. It's trying to get all tricky. Up and down. It's really steady out here, huh? There's only very slight wind. Barely, not much. Let's see. You can see the tree move a little bit. It's not that bad at all. And we got the outside body. You know, come over here and land.